Hi, it's me. I'm Leah. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are cooking Russian salad, also known as Olivier salad. Olivier is a French chef that invented this salad that became really popular in the high society of Russia. This is why it's also named a Russian salad. So, if you come with me, I'll show you how to make it. We are going to fill one large pot with water and season it with salt and olive oil, and then put it on the stove until it boils. While we are waiting for the water to boil, I am going to peel and cut the potato. Olivier salad is also made with beans and carrots. My local shop gives the option to buy them already cut, so I plan to take full advantage of that. If you don't have this option, just mind that the beans and carrots should be an even size, as well as the potatoes. Potatoes on Olivier salad should be cubed, so first I'm slicing them, then I'll turn them into sticks, and once I have sticks, I'll cube the sticks in regular shapes. In my opinion, this is the easiest way to achieve cubes with a potato. Once all the potatoes are cubed, we can save them in a bowl for later. Once the water starts boiling, we can add the beans, the carrots, and the potatoes. And then we let them boil for 12 to 15 minutes. While the veggies are cooking, I am going to prepare all the toppings that go in the salad. I'm using olives that I cut in half, I'm also using canned tuna that I will finely shred using my hands. And finally, I'm adding some corn too. You can, of course, add any ingredients that you fancy, but these are the ones I love. So now that the veggies are cooked, we are going to drain them and wait until they are cooled. While we wait for them to cool down, we are going to prepare a typical Catalan mayonnaise that it's called allioli. To prepare the allioli, take 1 clove of garlic, peel it and halve it. Then remove the core. It is believed that removing the core helps avoid headaches. Then I thinly slice it and I place it on the base of the hand mixer. Then I crack an egg and I add it to the base as well. I pour some salt and I use some olive oil. You could use any sort of vegetable oil, but I believe olive oil is the one that gives the most flavor. Then I go in with the hand mixer and blend everything together until the egg emulsifies. One thing that should be taken into account while making allioli is that it has egg. So in summer I wouldn't leave it on the fridge for more than a day or two. Once allioli is done, save it aside to coat the salad. Once the veggies are cold, combine the toppings with the veggies and mix everything together. I placed the bowl on the fridge because it wasn't chilled enough and I didn't want the egg of the allioli to cook. So I'm just going to mix it a bit more before adding the allioli. Once everything is combined, take the allioli you made before and put it over the salad. Then mix again until everything is evenly coated. So that's it. It isn't hard. We just have to plate it and then we can eat it. It's better if served fresh. This salad is a super refreshing dish that it's perfect to have as lunch in summer. Also, remember that it has mayo, so it shouldn't be left in the fridge for more than 2 to 3 days. As always, the recipe, ingredients and measurements will be linked in the description box down below and also in my blog. If you like this video, let me know, and if you try it, tag me on social media. Also, if you like this video, subscribe so we can see in more of my videos. Until next time, and remember, put some Mediterranean flavor in your lives.